Hey friends, let's make some Hawaiian bread in the bread machine. Y'all, if you love Hawaiian rolls or Hawaiian loaf bread, this is the ticket right here. You're going to take 1 cup of 100% pineapple juice and pour it in to your bread machine with a paddle attached. After that, you're going to take 1 beaten egg here. Just take 1 beaten egg, add it to the pineapple juice. Y'all, this is one of those recipes that just, oh my goodness, as soon as it comes out of the bread machine, when it's done, you just want to eat it. So good. 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I'm doing this on purpose. I'm going to use the same exact tablespoon to measure my honey because it's going to make that honey slide right off. Watch this. Oops, there's an elbow. It's going to make the the honey just slide right off here. Look at that. No sticky mess. You're going to take 2.5 tablespoons of honey, but I probably added 3 tablespoons. I won't lie to you. It's just so good. This is a sweet bread, but it's not too sweet. I mean, it's just the perfect Hawaiian bread. You're going to add to that 1 teaspoon of salt. Yep, 1 teaspoon of salt. And now you're going to need your flour. I only use all-purpose flour. I don't get fancy with the bread flour because, y'all, it was so hard to find during the pandemic that I just started using the all-purpose flour because it was the easiest and easiest thing to find at the time. And I'm like, you know what? Not that big of a deal. To this, you're going to add 3 cups of flour. 3 cups of flour. And you don't have to worry about packing it down too much. If it's a little over, a little under, that's okay. You can add, if you see that your dough is dry, you can add it later, or too much, you can add a little bit more. To that, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of dry milk. I'm just going to finish this packet off here. 2 tablespoons of dry milk. And the last ingredient, and of course the most important ingredient, is going to be your yeast. You're going to add 2 teaspoons of yeast here. I use the bread machine yeast, the Fleshman's bread yeast. So easy. Y'all, here it is going into the bread machine. It's going to take 3 hours and 45 minutes for this to bake. I took mine out about 20 minutes early because the top was getting a little bit too brown. But I put it on the sweet setting. And here it is, y'all, sliced up and buttered and ready for supper. So good. I hope you enjoy it, guys.